unofficial world record. 845 Rubik's Cubes solved while running a marathon.
We already broke it. 175! 800, oh my god! Philip, you're a freaking monster. 826. You're gonna make top 5. Yeah.
Well, they decided to finish what they started. And they're coming in under 5 hours. If you can break 5 hours.
Is this 840?
You have to break, pick it up. Philip Espinosa on the line.
Yeah!
Anybody?
Yeah!
How'd it go?
Doing great.
Yeah? You beat
Yeah. Oh yeah, of course.
it? Really? It's under 5, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Congrats, man.